Prime factorization. In this lesson, we're going to show you two different methods of completing prime factorization. One with the cake method and one with factor trees. Let's go about the factor trees first. So here's our first problem. Let's take a look at this one from start. We want to find the prime factors of 24. Using our factor tree, we see that two factors of 24 are 3 times 8. We could circle 3 because 3 is prime. Looking at 8, 8 can still be factored into two factors, 2 times 4. Again, ask yourself, is 2 prime? If it is, circle it. Is 4 prime? If not, break it down. 4 can also be broken down into two factors of 2 times 2, where both 2 and 2 are also prime again. We have now factored this completely. Now writing this in numerical order, we have the factors of 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And we have just factored 24. Let's take a look at another example. Prime factors of 50. So again, using our factor tree, two factors of 50 may be 5 times 10. If 5 is prime, let's circle it. In this case it is. 10 is not prime, so let's get the factors of 10. Two factors of 10 include 2 times 5. 2 is prime, let's circle 2. 5 is prime, let's circle 5. And again, we're circling these to remind us that these are both prime. And again, in order, 2 times 5 times 5, and these are the prime factors of 50. Now let's take a look at the cake method. You may perform either one. So 24 prime factors of 24 divisible by 2, leaving me with a 12 as a remainder. 2 goes into 12 6 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 3 goes into 3 1 time, and once I have a 1 on my top of my cake, I can stop there. The prime factors here are all located on the left hand side, which are 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And again, if you like to circle them to point those out, that may be a great idea. And again, factor them, put the factors in numerical order. So I have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, and we are done. One more. Here are the factors. Let's take the 5 prime factors of 50, again using the cake method. I could divide 50 by 5, I could divide 10 by 5, I could divide 2 by 2, and again once I get to the 1, let's stop there. My prime factors here, again, are 2, 5, and 5, circling them to remind me these are my prime factors. Write them in numerical order, 2 times 5 times 5, and I have found the 5 prime factors of 50 using the cake method.